sun is just coming up, and you can probably hear the sea crashing. What a beautiful sound. So I just pulled my tortillas out of my frame bag for breakfast, which I left kind of open. Look at that! Something came along in the night and has taken a massive bite out of it. Look at it! Which is also kind of creepy because I didn't hear anything in the night. That is a big mouse. Was it a dog? A fox? Looks like a cow turd or something over there. Maybe a cow came by. I don't know, but something took a massive munch out of my tortillas, which I find kind of hilarious and also kind of scary. Oh yeah, they've licked out the tuna can too. So yeah, I was speaking to the farmer yesterday, and I mentioned maybe going for a swim in the morning, and he said 8 people have died swimming in this area that he knows of, and these 2 graves here are 2 of them. So I don't think I'm going to go swimming here. Currently leaving the world's greatest campsite. But I'm probably going to have a lot more like it. Just look at the sun catching up on top of those waves. You got a guilty face. I reckon it was him. Where you little baby? I'm in a cloud. That's some shit. It's beach cycle time. Involved a relaxing coastal ride before heading through Punta Colonet to resupply. From there, it was back towards the mountains, riding through a canyon before setting up camp. This thing is literally just full of sugar paste. Sugar paste! This is going to give me such a sugar high. Pure energy in a stick. There we go. What? Climbing up hills in granny gear. It's hot, y'all. Beautiful sunset, huh? Huh. Now let's go mine a hole. What you gonna do? 6. Got a pretty sweet camp spot. It's a nice soft stand. Sunset. Honestly, I thought it was pretty sweet, but just heard there's a cow behind that bush. So better guard the tortillas tonight. Look. He's eyeing up my tortillas already. No chance, mate.
Day 7 began with continuing through the canyon along the riverbed before a very rough, steep, rocky climb into the mountains towards Rancho El Coyote.
Here comes the sun, da 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 da. Here comes the sun. It's not the Beatles, it's me. Look at all this water. It's not like muddy water. Actually look clean. I haven't seen this much water, fresh water, in 7 days. Bit of a pain in the ass to get around, to be honest. Could have a little swim there. This river's blocking bloody everywhere. Not rivers, puddles. I'm not cycling through it again. I only fell in the last one. Guess we've got to try and find our way around through the bush. It's another fucking flood. How do the cars get through here? That is deep. Let's have a look around there. Or maybe around there. There's got to be an easy way. I'm not cycling through that. Look, I found a Mexican bridge. We're saved. Look at these two cute puppies guarding the gate. Hello, hello, hello. You are perros peligrosos. What are you smelling my shut sock for? Oh, let's go open the good old Mexican gate. Gates. I'm gonna get barbed wire at any point in time. Oh, pedal, no! The dog's there. Got ourselves a cow standoff. Let's play chicken with the cows. Come on, Baja. There you go. There you go. Let the cyclist through. Good cows. Let the metal horse through. Muchas gracias, vacas. What is this? Oh, that was one hell of a climb. Just gone up to 700 meters from no meters in a very short space of time, and it's hot. I am wet, which I guess is keeping me cool. There's a rancho coming up, so maybe I'll get a cold beer, maybe a shower. Maybe even a room for the night. Who knows? We'll see. It's a nice view over there though. Nice grassy plains. This is a very different Baja landscape. Grassy rolling hills. I think I'm at the top. Incredible views. Lush grassland. Cows munching. It's very different to the desert I've been in the last few days. It's nice up here. La Buena Vista!
I didn't cover many kilometers, but after 7 days of riding, a very rough uphill, and the availability of beers and burritos at Rancho Coyote, I took the afternoon off. This area has the clearest skies in Baja, and there are observatories on the same stretch of mountain. The freezing swimming pool should have been a sign of how cold it was here at night, but the stars more than made up for it.